So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be using the tool offset for different figures like circle, rectangle, as well as line in our Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 edition. So here we go on, and first we offset a circle. So let us draw a circle first. Also, yeah, let us draw a circle. And first thing is you need to select the circle, right? So as everybody knows how to select the circle. Now we type offset OFF. You can see the offset tool has already been displayed, and similarly it is here as well. So you can use either of the tool, and then it has clearly written specify offset distance. So it's already given 5. So I'm going to be using, let us say, 5 only. You can use any according to your requirement, and you can see the inside and outside. It gives us the what is according to your preference. You can do this inside and outside. I'm going to inside. Similarly, the more you can make like concentric circles as per your requirements, right? So this is how you use the offset tool for a circle. Similarly, I can give you another example of rectangle. Let's draw rectangle. Yeah, any size doesn't matter. And this time I use this tool offset. First to select, then use this tool offset and specify offset distance. And this time also I'm going to be giving 5, and you can see the outward or inward according to your choice. And I've done it outward and more outward. You can do it inward as well. Yeah, this is how you make concentric rectangles and circles using the offset tool. Thank you very much. We'll be seeing you in your next video. Do like and subscribe if you find it informative.